welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review about this Gala spin mop rod. It's a Gala turbo spin mop rod commodity, that is turbo spin mop rod, manufactured on, they have mentioned the date, the number of commodity, that is one number, MRP 499 inclusive of all taxes, manufactured and marketed by Freudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited, 02 Galleria P 902/903/904, plot number 2324, Minerva Industrial Estate of LBS Mark near Ashan Nagar, Mulund West, Mumbai 400080, Maharashtra. This is the Gala Turbo Spin Mop Rod. And if you have in case any complaint, you can contact Freudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited on the address I have just mentioned you below above. Their toll-free number that they have mentioned is 1800-222-009. That is their toll-free number, and their customer care email ID is customercare.india@fhp-ww.com, and they have mentioned their website name, that is www.galaclean.com. Freudenberg. Follow us on Gala Home Cleaning, that is their Facebook social media handle, and Twitter Gala@Gala_cleaning. This is what they have mentioned in the product. So let me open and show you this Gala mop handle. It comes into two pieces like this, and you have to fit in here and just have to twist. And if you have to close it like this, and you want to make the handle short, then you have to do it like this. Do it like this. You have to make it long. You just have to pull it like this, and then close like this, and it comes out like this. This is the replacement handle only. So you need to keep in mind that this is the replacement handle only. It doesn't come with the mop head refill. This is a great option if your original rod is starting to wear down, or you just need a fresh replacement to keep your mop functioning like new. At first glance, this rod looks slick with stainless steel finish. It got a clean modern look that will definitely match any mop bucket or cleaning setup. The product dimensions are 50 cm in length and 6 cm in weight. It weighs only 0.3 kg, so it is pretty lightweight, which is perfect for a mop handle. It's pretty lightweight, so it is perfect for a mop handle. Now let's talk about how it feels in your hand. One of the first thing you will notice is the rubber grip. The rubber grip. This adds a level of comfort that you might not expect from a mop handle. It is soft. It is also sturdy, which makes it easy to hold, even for extended cleaning session. Whether you wipe down your kitchen floor or cleaning your entire living room, your hand won't slip or strain thanks to this textured grip. I personally love how it feels in my hand. It gives you that solid, non-slip grip, which is really important when you're handling a mop for a longer period of time. That added grips help with control, and let's be honest, who wants a mop handle that makes you worry about it slipping out of your hand while you're cleaning? Nobody will like it. Yes. So this mop handle is one of the best. It will not slip. The stainless steel finish not only gives you a premium look, but also make it incredible durable. Stainless steel is resistant to rust, So even if you are looking it in a damp environment, it will hold up well. This means you won't have to worry about it degrading or losing its shine over time. Plus it is easy to wipe down after use, keeping it looking brand new. So once it gets dirty, you can just clean it. When you are setting up the Gala Turbo Spin Mop Replacement Rod Stick, it is very super easy. Just attach it to your existing mop head. You just have to attach the existing mop head. But one thing you have to make sure that this mop should be compatible with the one that you are using, and you are ready to go. There is no complicated assembly required, so you don't have to spend time trying to figure out how it works. Even in the messy floor here, with the dirt and crumbs and a bit of water splash around, it will remove your dirt very easily by this handle and with the mop refill. This lightweight design ensures that you are not putting too much effort into your each push. The grip is still comfortable after a few minutes of use. Even after a few minutes of use, the grip is still comfortable. You will not feel the slipping and all this. Your hand is slipping on this because they have given a rubber. Yeah. What are the pros of this Gala mop? First off, I like the design. It's slick, durable and lightweight. The stainless steel material is rust resistant and easy to maintain. The rubber grip is a big win in my book. It's comfortable, non-slip and ensure that you don't have any issues while mopping. Now what are the cons? Honestly, it's hard to find any major downside. However, the fact that it is just a replacement rod and does not come with a mop head means you will need to have an existing Gala Turbo Spin Mop to make it full use of it. Additionally, if you prefer a longer mop handle, the 50 cm length might be a bit too short for some people, though it's ideal for most. To sum it up, I will tell you this is a solid choice if you are looking for a durable and comfortable replacement handle for your spin mop. It is made of high quality stainless steel, has a comfortable rubber grip and is really easy to assemble and use it. It's an upgrade. You won't regret if you are looking to maintain or refresh your cleaning setup. If you are going to give a cleaning setup a boost, I definitely recommend this product of Gala, which is a must in every cleaning. Gala Turbo Spin Mop Replacement Robot Kit. I have purchased this online and you can buy also from online. I have bought it from Amazon and you too can also buy it from Amazon. I have kept the link in the description. Thank you for watching my channel. If you really like my video, please hit a like on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. Thank you friends. Bye.